have a pergola like me, you want to know how we achieve this from this, then keep watching. With the help of Onduline, we transformed this broken roof, which was also very dirty, using their transparent sheet. First we measured up, cleaned the area, removed the old roof, and then we was ready to go. We used their classic polycarbonate sheets, needed 6 for this project. They were 950mm by 2000mm. They slot over each other perfectly, and you make sure you overlap the joints by 2 grooves. Use the polycarbonate fixings on every other to secure it into place using the drill, and then cover over with the little cap. We are so happy with the final result. It feels so much sturdier than the previous roofing that we've used before. We're happy that this is going to last us for a very long time, and if you have any roofing that you need to do, make sure you go and check out Onduline for their amazing selection. All things roofing.